Today, we will be studying about the atomic number and mass number. We will also learn how to calculate the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons from the given atomic number and mass number. So first, let's come to the atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons in an atom. We have already discussed the protons are the positively charged particles of an atom and they are present in the nucleus of an atom. So the number of protons is known as the atomic number. It is denoted by the symbol Z. We have also discussed that the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. We've already done this. The number of positive charges is always equal to the number of negative charges. That is, the number of protons is always equal to the number of electrons. Therefore, we can say that the atomic number is equal to the number of protons, which in turn is equal to the number of electrons. For example, if an atom has 10 protons, then the atomic number is 10 and the number of electrons is also 10. So atomic number equals to the number of protons, which in turn is equal to the number of electrons. Now we come to the mass number. Mass number is the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom. We can say protons plus neutrons equals to the mass number. It is denoted by the symbol A. So mass number is equal to the number of protons and the number of neutrons in an atom. Now see the screen. I have written X and as superscript or on top I have written A, and as subscript or below X I have written Z. What is that? What does it stand for? X stands for any element. It can be oxygen, it can be hydrogen. A, as we have already discussed, stands for mass number, and Z stands for atomic number. So whenever we are writing an element along with the mass number and atomic number, this is how we write. We write the symbol of the element and we write the mass number on the top as superscript and atomic number as subscript. Now using this formula that I've just discussed, we can calculate the mass number, atomic number, number of protons and neutrons. See the screen. I have given you all an exercise. Calculate the mass number, atomic number, number of protons, number of electrons, number of neutrons of the following elements: oxygen and sodium. So let's discuss how we will do it. See the first example. It is given O, 16 and 8. We all know O stands for symbol for oxygen, and as superscript it's written 16 and as subscript it has been written 8. Now let's write the symbol or the formula we just learned, X, A, Z. So I have told you A stands for mass number, Z stands for atomic number. So in the example, A is 16, so mass number is 16, and Z is 8, so atomic number is 8. We have already discussed atomic number equals to number of protons, which is equal to number of electrons. Therefore, if atomic number is 8, number of protons will also be 8 and number of electrons will also be 8. Now we have to calculate the number of neutrons. Number of neutrons is A minus Z. That means 16 minus 8, which is also equal to 8. So we have calculated the atomic number, the mass number, the number of protons, the number of electrons, and the number of neutrons. So let's come to the next example. It is Na2311. Na is sodium, we all know that. Now, like the previous example, we will write the formula XAZ. A stands for mass number and Z stands for atomic number. So mass number here is 23 and atomic number is 11. We also know that atomic number equals the number of protons, which is equal to the number of electrons. So if atomic number is 11, number of protons is also 11 and number of electrons is also 11. We have discussed number of neutrons equals to A minus Z. So A is 23, Z is 11. So 23 minus 11 is 12. So number of neutrons is 12. So by using this method, we can easily calculate the mass number, atomic number, number of protons, electrons and neutrons in an atom.